now that the Kensington Expressway project in Buffalo has been halted, what happens with the money that was set aside for it? We're working for you to answer that question tonight. A judge ruling Friday afternoon that plans to transform the Kensington Expressway cannot move forward until the state performs a rigorous environmental impact study. The $1 billion project was announced in May of 2022 to cover a portion of the expressway, making it a 6-lane tunnel between Dodge and Sydney streets. But the project has been held up by several lawsuits, including the one ruled on today, filed by the East Side Parkways Coalition. So tonight, 7 News reporter Kristen Moran is sharing the voices of that coalition and state leaders about what comes next with millions of state and federal funding sitting in limbo.
Terrence Robinson, Michael Gaynor, and Taj Richardson have been fighting against the Kensington Expressway project for months.
If you live right there, what they said was, it's temporary. We'll disregard it. It's 5 years of pounding, blasting, removal, sanding.
This is a City of Buffalo project. This affects the people that live here. It affects my neighbors, my friends. All of us live right in proximity to this project.
New York State is riding dirty through our neighborhood. We want them to clean up their act and do the right thing.
And State Supreme Court Justice Emilio Koliakovo agrees. In a recent ruling, he says the State Transportation Department cannot move forward with the more than $1 billion project to cover a stretch of the 33 until the state completes an environmental impact statement showing the impact nearly 5 years of construction will have on this community.
Some of his observations were very telling, and that is this community has suffered a lot.
He wrote, no rational person can conclude that this project would not have an adverse impact on the affected community. And with the project now on hold, the state and federal funding that supports it could be at risk. Governor Kathy Hochul addressed those federal dollars when she visited Western New York in October.
I hope we can overcome the legal challenges. I expect we will. But I also would say that we are not able to sit on this money for a long time.
There's no reason why with our great governor, Kathy Hochul, that we can't maintain the state dollars.
However, Majority Leader Crystal Peoples-Stokes, who has been a loud voice in Albany supporting this project, says it's unclear what could happen with that federal funding.
But I don't see how we can make a commitment on federal dollars except through our congressional representatives.
I did ask the state DOT about this and was told officials are monitoring the actions taken by the new federal administration and how this may impact the department. Meantime, both parties head back to court in late April. In the city of Buffalo, Kristen Moran, 7 News.